if we want to hold prayers for our candidates, we can do so in second term. When we get to third term, we should give our children the exclusive peace and ample time they need to prepare for exams. Some of the people who are raising issues right now don't know what these teachers go through. They don't know what the head teachers go through. In third term, when we begin this rather unusual behavior we have developed in our country, where we gather together in matatus and carry aunties and uncles and bananas and ugali and turn up in school, and then it takes the headmistress a week to recover from that arrangement, to even clean up the school, to get the kids back in together, to prepare for exams. We cannot work in that kind of manner. And then when we organize these activities in third term, they provide a huge opportunity for all manner of monkey business to happen.